All right, so we are up here at this mountain. We drove about 20 minutes and it started to rain pretty hard. It stopped and we're in Wailea Falls. There's chickens everywhere. Chickens, roosters, even on the mountain. Watch out, ladies. Watch out, ladies, there's a cart coming. And if we come to this overlook, this is Wailea Falls, the area where they filmed Fantasy Island. You know, the giant waterfall? Look at this overlook. My goodness gracious. Look at that waterfall right there. It's really cool. Look at the trees, look at the mist. Looks like a freaking movie. Look at this.